Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.